Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss, is TikTok down? So as for beginning of the June 2025, the TikTok is operating normally. But if you're currently facing problems with TikTok, consider following these steps. So firstly, check your internet connection. Also, you can restart the application. Simply reopen your application like this. Also, you can try updating the application, so make sure that you are using the latest version. Also, you can try clearing cache on your phone. So when you open your TikTok, go to your profile at the bottom, and then in the top right corner you need to access menu right here, and then navigate to settings. Here scroll down to the section free up space, and here you can see your cache. Simply tap clear. And also you can try reinstalling the application. Simply uninstall, so delete your TikTok and reinstall it to address potential installation issues. And for real-time status updates, you can visit this website called Down for Everyone or justme.com, and here you can search for TikTok, and check whether TikTok is down. So at this moment you see that no, we're not detecting any problems with TikTok right now. So this is very interesting. You can open this website and try to figure out some other functions right here. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.